Yeah, today we come across lot of people suffering with constipation. Basically, constipation is a functional problem. What we eat, if it is not properly digested and properly, we don't eat proper food like thing. So many other factors are there due to which we get constipation. So constipation actually is seen in newborn children and young children, adults and elderly people. So anybody may have at any time in their lifetime constipation. So constipation is considered as a general problem in some aspects, but in some aspects it's a disease like thing. So in Ayurveda it is called as Koshtabadda or Malabadda, or it is Vishtamba it is called as. So basically what happens, what we eat, we defecate. So in that process, some of the food, the intestines actually have a systematic way of expelling the fecal matter or the any digested material through the anus. So during this process, if the intestines, that is the peristaltic movement, does not takes place properly, or the matter which is not filled in the distal part of the rectum, what we call, in that area what happens, there will be obstruction, or the person will have mild to moderate or even heavy constipation. So constipation is something like if a person does not pass his stools for 2-3 days, or somewhere about more than 3 days is also considered as uh, constipation. So if somebody does not pass his stool, they have different problems. Like the signs and symptoms of constipation can be understood by anybody. It's not basically a disease, but it can be a symptom of a disease. So we have to rule out what is the problem. So in constipation, what happens? The person, uh, once he has not having proper digestion, or there will be belching, there will be heaviness of the stomach, and he does not pass stools for 1 or 2 days. And most of the time, the patient complains of stomach fullness, so they can't even eat food properly also. So these are the symptoms of constipation. Even some people, they complain of headache also. So once these symptoms are there, then naturally the patient will try to see some ways and means to come out of this problem. So there are many methods people try to relieve the constipation. So today, Ayurveda is a great science where we deal constipation as Malabaddhaka, Vishtambaka, whatever it is. So the patient has digestive problem, that is Koshtapaddhata we call it. That is stomach area where the patient starts basically the digestive system from the oral, that is from the salivary glands to the end of the intestines. If it does not take place properly, then we consider it as a problem. So there are many reasons a person drops into constipation. Basically, as we have spoken earlier, like there will be like food. Some people take very less food, and that might not be sufficient for the peristaltic movement and defecation. And due to the even the internal osmosis, that is internal moisture or the liquids or the wetness or whatever the semi-solid nature is not there naturally, the defecation does not take place. And there are other ways the constipation develops in patients. Like in small children, like you take in neonates, they get constipation because the mother does not feed mother's milk. So they are fed with our outside food, like outside milk or any other extra milk, like outside milks and everything they give. So due to that, the child gets constipation. And some children, they are given with some of the lactulose property foods, like lactulose mixed with other ingredients they give. and they add some other material into that, some proteins or something like food, extra foods they add into the milk products, so the child will get constipation. And even the neonates or the children who are under 1 or 2 years also, they have constipation, and that due to be sometimes stress, and they may not take proper fluids. Basically, we have to take more of fluids. Once we take fluids, what happens? The food materials will be coming out of the body, the end products will be thrown out in a semi-solid matter. So basically the food is not digested properly, one of the factors, and there are other factors like stress factors, there are other factors like sleeplessness. So ahara vihara, what we call is, so if the person does not do proper exercise, digestion does not express, and internally the acid secretions are more, the enzymatic secretions are less, and the patient is dropped into constipation. And there are various other ways the patient physically will be having the constipation, just like the liver function. Somebody have hepatic dysfunction, or they have fatty liver condition, they also have constipation. Some people have acidity problems, like they have a hyperacidity or esophageal reflux. So due to these problems also they have constipation. So there are many reasons why a person lands up into constipation. Apart from this, there are some medicines the patient takes. So some people take some of the medicines like anti-diabetic drugs, and some people take psychiatric drugs, and some people take some antibiotics like thing. So during this process, if they are not taking more of fluids, naturally they drop into constipation. So we have to see reason behind it. Apart from this, there is organic problem. There is a problem like the intestinal flora is not helping the process of defecating the fecal matter. So this is also one of the problems. And there might be internally Crohn's disease like thing, and there might be some peristaltitis. Some people have very slow movements of the intestines. That is usually seen in elderly people. So those people also will be having constipation. So what we have to do during this process of constipation? So mostly people will try all ways and means, but most important is that we have to see that a person, reasons behind the constipation. Apart from that, any constipation, besides any organic problems or intestinal failure, peristaltic problem, and any other problems, we have to rule out. Apart from that, regularly almost 60 to 70% people will have constipations. So during this process, we have to take more of water or fluids, any fluid like. So whatever food you take, that food will be more of water. Some people will take only dry foods, and our intestines and our digestive system cannot have that capacity to digest heavy foods like thing. So there will be people who will be taking heavy proteins like thing, like mutton, chicken, all this non-vegetarian food they eat. So during this process, if they are not eating or drinking more of fluids, naturally it will take long time to digest. And because of the when they take this type of foods, what happens? Function will be very slow. And apart from that, if the person does not do exercises and all, and the majorly the liver has to function properly. So for all these factors, like food plays a major role. So during this process, what happens? The person has to see that his digestive system is in his capacity. Like if the person is unable to digest, he has to take in a smaller quantities and in a proper manner. So people want to take lot of non-vegetarian food and all. So if they eat frequently non-veg without taking proper digestion of this non-vegetarian food, and if they take
Madam, what you recommend for these patients in Ayurveda? Like what medicines you recommend?
before, like basically we give lot of herbal medicines. Like there are different types of laxatives actually. There are 4 types of laxatives. Out of this, like we give a few laxatives like fiber filled laxatives. Like mostly in the food itself, we try to help the patients. Like they have to take more of green leafy vegetables, and they have to take more of like whole wheat, whole, that is those with cereals with cover like thing. So when they have this, because these days we are taking a lot of polished food and all. So you have to take like if somebody is having milder to moderate constipation, they have to take more of fiber food. Like there are two types of fibers again. There will be soluble fibers and insoluble fibers. So mostly if they are able to take more of soluble fibers, and that will be adding a roughage, and the patient will have a smooth motion like thing, or defecation will be smoother in process like thing. Usually it will take 8 to 12 hours to digest a food and digest whatever we eat, and that will be coming out like somebody eats at around 7 p.m. or like thing. Then the early morning 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock they have a free defecation. But during this process, if somebody has a constipation due to some, they are forced to take some medications and all, or somebody is having stress levels, somebody does not sleep well, so many other factors are there, but still like we have to relieve this constipation. So for this we have a certain set of medicines, like most of it people try with herbs and all. So out of that herbs, Triphala is the best herb which we can recommend to any patient. Like as it is one of the best.
Do you have any of your products, ma'am, again from Suraksha?
Yeah, we have very good products. Like we have Suraksha constipation powder like thing. Then in this also we prepare in such a manner in capsule form or in the powder form, easy to take. And apart from this Suraksha constipation powder, like we does not add purgatives or carminative like herbs. Like we have simple laxatives, and these does not create even acidity problem in the patients. Basically these contain smoother way, and they acts as a digestive type also. So patients does not complain when they are taking this, and it's very simple also.
This is totally herbal, madam.
Yeah, pure herbs contain almost 6 herbs. Out of this, like a matter of Triphala and some of the digestives, like we add Ajamoda. Like Ajamoda is helpful in digestion, and it stimulates the liver also. So actually when we give this constipation, for relieving constipation, it even acts like a digestive also.
Since how long you are giving treatment for this constipation?
Yeah, we have been giving since very long. Almost it is a matter of more than 30 years.
Oh, great. Okay. I think we have a very elaborate talk on constipation by Dr. Peddi Ramadev Garu, and we'll have one more topic in coming up. Thank you for listening to this.